Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through the back knee pain location chart. Back knee pain, or posterior knee pain, is discomfort or distress originating from the back portion of the knee. It's a common issue caused by various conditions including injuries, arthritis, or diseases such as Baker's cyst. This type of pain may manifest in different ways, like a sharp pain during certain movements, a persistent dull ache, or a feeling of tightness. This pain can make activities difficult and affect the patient's overall quality of life. Therefore, it is essential to recognize where the pain is coming from as soon as possible to provide the best course of treatment. Healthcare professionals use a back knee pain location chart to help assess the source of pain in their patients. This chart displays the different anatomical locations behind the knee that can be affected, providing medical practitioners with information on how best to provide relief for their patients. To use our free back knee pain location chart, follow these steps. Download our back knee pain location chart from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Discuss the chart with your patient and explain how it works. This will help them understand the reasons behind their discomfort and create an open dialogue about potential treatment plans. Look for any areas of tenderness, swelling, or stiffness around the knee. Compare this to the chart to identify any conditions causing pain. Once you've determined the source of your patient's pain, discuss potential treatment options such as braces, physical therapy, or medications. Offer advice on lifestyle modifications that may help alleviate their discomfort and improve their quality of life. Schedule a follow-up appointment with your patient to review progress and make any necessary adjustments to their treatment plan. Here is a sample of our back knee pain location chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our back knee pain location chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.